Previously in the vlog,
They called these trees long ago Joshua trees.
we spent the whole day exploring Joshua Tree National Park, exploring the trails and climbing boulders that date back 140 million years. We ended our 3 days and are headed over to explore the city of Palm Springs, which is a short 34 minutes drive away. Date shakes, here we come.
It is the day after we checked in, so today's going to be a loose itinerary. We are going to go to Shields Date Farm, go try their shake and the farm. It is $5 entry, so we have to see if they are open due to COVID hours, so we did check online. They do have a number to call.
8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so they're open. The gardens, all the shops are open, and then the garden or the farm is also open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we're gonna head out now. So we're finally here at the Shields Date Farm. It is scorching hot. We're gonna go in and take you guys around.
So there is a little history behind this. This couple, William and Lillian Venderzom, they had contacted Shields Day Garden back in 2011.
Yeah.
They used to own a biblical garden in Vancouver, Canada, and having sold the property, they needed to
Relocate all the statues.
Of Jesus Christ. And
This portion of the Shields Date Farm or garden is called the Walk, where you walk and then there's biblical stories. It's a chronological life of Jesus Christ that they have you listen to an audio, like an audio walking tour.
Which you can find on their website, shieldsdategarden.com.
Yeah.
And all you can do is access the audio tour audio.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just turn it on and then you just walk and you kind of stop at your own pace at each statue, and then you go through the audio tour, and then take in the beauty of the garden, and then you proceed. And after this, we're very excited about the date shake.
Yeah.
But we're first gonna go.
Let's explore this 17-acre.
Yes,
garden.
It is on a 17-acre garden. Yeah. So
Here we go.
let's go.
Welcome to the Walk Biblical Garden. As you journey among the date palm trees, your pathway will wind beautifully through episodes in the life of the man called Jesus.
So throughout the garden, they have, what I thought were lemons or limes before. I think they're grapefruits because they're so big and healthy. Like, they're all over the garden. It's so beautiful. So say that again?
You should have an attitude of a child when approaching God.
It's beautiful.
Nicely said.
Yeah. Forever learning.
Yeah.
They have these ladders up on the date palms, I guess for the people to climb up and pick the dates. So we're at the end, the last walk that he took is the crucifixion of Jesus, and it's just really sad. But that's the cross.
The way out.
And we're gonna walk down.
How was it?
It was wonderful. I cried a little bit because the story of Jesus Christ is just so sad.
Yeah.
But it was a wonderful walk nonetheless. Beautiful grounds. Organized walking audio tour.
Yeah, so if you guys use the audio tour, it keeps you aligned as to how the story goes.
Yeah, it keeps you engaged.
You might miss some of them, so kind of nice to have the audio tour.
Yeah.
Get more information out of it as well.
Yeah. So we're at the end now of the 17-acre tour.
Yeah.
So now
It was nice pace.
Yeah.
And I would say, on average, if you don't stop, if you just kind of keep moving along, it's possibly like a 15-minute walk.
Yeah.
If you stop, take pictures, and just kind of take in the scenery. You have a little fountain, man-made lake behind. Stuff like this. It might take a little while, but it's totally worth it.
Yes, totally worth it, and highly recommend coming here. So now, along with that, it's a win-win situation because we got a wonderful walking tour, and now we're also gonna try the famous Palm Springs date shake.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head in for that.
Sure.
Oh, coat of diced dates. We finally got our date sheet. 1924. 24 ounce is $7.95. And
Cash only,
cash
$10
only.
minimum.
Yeah, $10 minimum. See how it is. Let's go outside.
Oh my God,
Already
a
took
date shake.
One too many
Good
sips.
percent. And
It's delicious.
yeah,
You could taste the like not ground up, the dates.
puree.
Yeah. You could still taste the dates.
Yeah.
The sweetness is really balanced. It's perfect. And you have like a vanilla date.
No, so I think the base is vanilla ice cream, and then they put in the puree of dates.
I love it.
Yeah.
Here, your turn.
Oh, it's really, really good. You get a little bit of that kind of, how when you eat sugar, you get the little sugar crunch. You're getting that sugar crunch from the dates.
Dates, yeah.
So
Yep.
it's really good.
I know. I was thinking, since I had a few sips, I was like, do we come back this
Yeah.
way again? We don't have much to do out here, but oh my
Yeah.
God. I would so come back
Yeah.
for this shake. I know there's another one.
There's a few places.
The most famous one is called Hadley's, but we knew we had to come for the walk here, and they were having the shakes, and we actually, there's some mixed reviews for all of the date shakes, but we wanted to really try this one to see for ourselves.
Yeah.
And we have tried, and we highly recommend coming to this.
It's really good. Yeah.
Yep.
Off to the next spot, which is
I have no idea.
It is the Palm Springs Museum.
Okay, Palm Springs Art Museum. Here we go.
So there's Marilyn Monroe, and this is Suspended in Time. The artist Gonzalo Lebrija. This is his art installation, and it's right across from the art museum. Yeah, the art museum. But then, yeah, this is an art installation in itself, right? It's just here. We don't know how long the truck's going to be here. We really wanted to take a photo.
But we will be here back in the evening on a Thursday. It is free admission.
From 5 to 7. This Palm Springs is really like the design mecca, but super cool, very creative. I wish the area was more like this. So now we're here at Forever Maryland. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful art piece, and it is 26 foot tall, and it's 24,000 pounds. Oh my God. Created by sculptor Seward Johnson with stainless steel and aluminum. We just came for the aesthetic. We're too cute to pass up for a photo op. now stopped over at the Royal Hawaiian Estates. It's beautiful, and I'm just gonna take some quick photos and move on to the next spot. Our next stop here is the Palm Springs City Hall. As you can see, the beautiful tall palms shooting out of the building. We're gonna take some cool photos here and then move on to our next stop. So it's nice. We're just gonna go ahead, walk around, look at all the exhibitions, and show you some of them. Enjoy. It is. Oh. This is made out of bread and wax.
Yeah.
It's like actual bread.